Hey YouTube, RA Scratcher back. Today I got 5 more of the sleigh bell tickets. Ticket numbers 76 through 80. Get a sleigh bell, or a bell rather, to win the prize underneath. Get 2 bells in the same line. You win double the prize, and get the sled. That wins all the prizes. Plus, there's 2 bonus areas here. Let's see if we can win anything today. Nothing yet. I haven't been having too much luck with these tickets. People are hitting them pretty good. So far they haven't done us any good. So don't look like this one's a winner. Let's check the bonus area. Try again. And no bonus. Alright. Ticket number 77. Do the bonus first on this one. No bonus. Try again. Nothing there. Try this side. No. And nothing. Okay. Ticket number 78. Let's see. Nothing. 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 And last one. Nothing. Huh. These are as bad as them elf tickets last year. Nope, no bonus. Oh, ticket 79. Let's try this one. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Oh wow. And nothing there. Bonus. No bonus. Try again. Alright. Ticket number 80. Last one. See if we have any luck with this one. Nothing. Nope. Nothing there. Last chance. Hey, we got one. Look at that. Look at that. One lone bell. Right there. Alright, let's see what the bonuses are first. Try again. And no bonus. Alright, let's see what we won. Let me get this in frame. Small zeros for $3. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe, like. Let me know if you want to see anything like other tickets, what you're interested in from the Pennsylvania Lottery. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Have a good night.